To install the plugin, upload the zip file here. First off, let's see how we can make lookbooks. Go to Plugin Settings, All Lookbooks, Add New, add an image, and add nodes. Assign a product for the node. And that would be it. Now that you have a lookbook, let's show it to your customers. Copy the lookbook shortcode and place it to anywhere you like. I'll make a new page for this lookbook. That's pretty much it. Customers will now see the lookbook image. Engage with this lookbook's product nodes to explore product details. Now that we talk about shortcode, we'll learn how many shortcodes we can use. All will be listed in our documentation. Visit our documentation in the settings page. Here it is, all available shortcodes with specific details. Now I'll try with a shortcode that shows multiple lookbooks. Make it display all available lookbooks with the display argument. In this part, we'll learn how to design the nodes. Go to Plugin Settings, Design tab, and use these options to customize nodes. More than that, you can also make the product details show in a pop-up or in a new page using these settings. If you enable link redirect, it'll lead the user to the product page when they click on the node. Otherwise, it'll open a quick view pop-up. The external link option works only with external and affiliate products. It redirects users to the merchant's shop page. As we know in the last part, product details can be displayed in a quick view pop-up. This feature is useful, that it allows users to quickly view a product without having to leave the current page. This pop-up contains an add to cart form, see more, or close button, and navigation, which makes it easy for customers to purchase the product or continue browsing. We'll see how to customize this pop-up. Go to Design Settings and focus on Options in the Quick View section. And here's the result. This plugin can display lookbooks as a slide, which is a great way to showcase your lookbooks in an engaging and visually appealing way. In this part, we'll learn how to customize them, adjust width, height, and number of items per row. Choose an effect, autoplay settings, and other options that fit your needs. With effect fade, number items per row will always be 1. In this settings, you can adjust number of items per row for lookbooks that are displayed in gallery, style, and make them a slider on mobile or not. The Instagram Sync feature allows you to automatically sync your Instagram pictures and make them your lookbooks. Using the Facebook Meta app, Follow the instruction in the settings page, or watch the tutorial video for specific steps. Now, I'll connect to my app to demonstrate. Access token is generated successfully. Now I can sync Instagram images. They're now my lookbooks, and I can edit them as I need. I'll just add some nodes. All Instagram lookbooks have their own shortcode, and also a mutual shortcode. I'll display them all on a new page. Learn about shortcodes for Instagram lookbooks in our documentation. To customize the Instagram lookbooks, back to Instagram settings, and configure these options. Lastly, set up the synchronize settings if needed. Other than showing lookbooks using shortcodes, you can also make specific lookbooks display in single product page. Set them up in the product editing page, enable lookbook, configure the other options as per your needs, and select the lookbooks you want to showcase. That would be it. Let's see the result.